Hello students of Standard 5. Today we are going to revise the full chapter. How it is? So we write here revision. Revision of this chapter. And we have learned that Tim is a cat and he is born in Delhi in India. He is a breed of Korat from Thailand. He speaks that he has not seen Thailand, but he has heard that Thailand is a beautiful place. It is surrounded by beaches and mountain too. His ancestors have lived there, but he never went back there. He has no home. He has no place. He roams all around. His most favorite place is around the park on the brick wall, where he sleeps, he sit down, lie down and watch. Morning, elderly people come, they do the jogging, they go for a walking. Also, they join a laughter club and they laugh together. Sometimes their laughter makes him scary. And in the evening, many children come to play on the slides and also on the swing. They play. They come along with their pets. Their pets means dog, cat, such kinds of things they bring. But what is the difference? Here Tim says they are lucky they have master to take care and give nice food. But same time I am too lucky because I have independence. I am free. I have got freedom. Wherever I want to go, whenever I want to go, with whomever I want to go, I can. But they are tied up. What they give, master gives them, they eat. Where they tie, they are tied up. They have absolutely no freedom. But I have got. That means everyone lacks something. If they get good food, they like freedom. I get freedom, then I like for food. I have to take care of myself, where they are taken care by others. So children, you understand? Complaints are not sufficient. See the team how beautifully he explains. They have got good food and care, but I have got freedom. What I have got? I have got freedom. I can eat what I want, what I can. I can go wherever I want. I can go whenever I want. I can go also with whomever I want. I have no one to control me. I have no home. I roam all around. Sometimes struggles are there, but sometimes enjoyment also. But these pets are tied up completely. So he is telling there are differences, and he narrates the friends to the school that he had gone once in the school. And he had been in the school. School children were very good. They used to pat him, stroke with the gently on his body. They loved him. But there were very few children who were very naughty. They used to pull his fur. They used to pull his tail. And sometimes they also kick him and hit him with the stones. So he was very sad and he told that I would go from here. I don't want to stay because when they hit me, I don't know what they do. And he says one day he met a cat behind whom he ran, and that cat was very proud, very boasting. He had gone to visit Rashtrapati Bhavan. So that he had visited Rashtrapati Bhavan, and then he had come back and he was speaking too highly that Prime Minister said that he is the most beautiful cat in the world, and people liked him. The minister and all the politicians, they stroked his body, they loved him, they took care, and he sat under the chief minister's, prime minister's chair like that. So he says, usually cats, they boast themselves, but not this much. Cats are a climber, very fast they can climb, and they can protect themselves from the other animals who is going to disturb. But this cat was too much speaking, which was exaggerating everything which was not necessary. So dear children, do you have pet in your house? How do you take care of it? How do you take care of the cats or dog or parrot when you have in the house? Do you take care well? Do you give them food? Do you give them wash? Do you like to keep pet first of all? I enjoy keeping the pet. I like it. Do you? When you have your own pet, you will know how to take care, and then only you will not hurt other. All animals also have both life and feelings. This cat also says last that please don't hurt, because animals are lovable. They love you, but only they harm you when they feel that they are in danger from you. When they believe that you are going to hurt them, then only they attack. Otherwise, animals are very loving. Or somebody hurts them and they come and attack you. Otherwise, mostly they are protective, they are shy, they run away, they see the people. But some children are to throw the stones, throw whatever they get, and they return, they come and attack. So children, don't disturb any animal or any creatures. They are also have feelings. When some children are there near the plant, stand on the leaf, they pluck and go. What the leaf does or flower, if it is in the plant, it looks beautiful, gives beauty, gives oxygen for us. It is useful for us. But when you break it or pluck it, they are dead and dried. No use of it. So learn to protect the environment, protect the nature, protect the animal, and protect yourself and your neighbors. Okay? Thank you. Be good to yourself, your friends, and your animal and your pets. Okay? Thank you.